In the quiet town of Brookhaven, an age-old mystery has resurfaced. A priceless family heirloom, an emerald necklace, has gone missing from the sprawling Ashcroft estate. With no clues and no suspects, the town's most unlikely detective steps in, a high-tech drone named Skye.
Okay, Skye, let's show them what you're made of. Thermal cameras, check. Night vision, check. Time to crack this case. Footprints! But who's been sneaking around the attic? Skye, zoom in.
I just wanted to keep it safe. They don't deserve it after what they did to me.
Thanks to Sam's ingenuity and Skye's high-tech capabilities, the mystery was solved and justice was served. In Brookhaven, even the Skies aren't out of reach for solving a mystery.